They were just riding down the highway when something unusual caught their eye. A car crashed near the side of the road. Without a second thought, the bikers stopped and ran straight toward it.
Check it out.
When they got closer, they saw a young woman inside, trembling in fear.
Relax, relax, relax. Is there anybody in the back? Is there anybody in the back? Okay. Can you unlock the doors? Can you unlock the doors? Do the back door. Relax. Do the back door. Do the back door. Unlock the back door.
After a few moments, they gently helped her out of the car, checked if she was hurt.
Relax, 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 relax. You okay?
You good, you good?
You're okay. You're okay, you're okay. You're okay. Relax, sit down, sit down, sit down. It's okay. It's okay.
Just try to relax. Lay down
okay.
on your back and just try to move.
Just stay still. Just stay still. Keep talking to her.
Okay.
Keep talking to her. Relax.
He's coming.
Have you called him?
What's your name? What's your name?
Melissa.
Okay, Melissa, you're
We're gonna
okay.
take care of you. You
You
good?
good, Dad?
We got you out
The
of the
police,
car. You
the police,
good?
the police are right there.
You hang in there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
Is it under Dad?
Just relax. Leave
It's
it.
under Dad.
We got police right here. The police are right here, okay?
Although she wasn't really hurt, she was completely shaken and terrified.
Step. We're gonna put your back against that. You good though? Let's call your dad. You wanna try to call him?
You good?
Thankfully, she wasn't. Sometimes the bravest hearts ride on two wheels. They were shouting at each other, and then, out of nowhere, the driver snapped and slapped him.
Bravo, uită-te aici, ești pe cameră, lasă-l mă cam camera, mergem la poliție. O să mergem la poliție să rămâi fără permis. Altercație în trafic.
He slowed down near the red light when a car suddenly hit him from behind. But luckily, he was fine. No injuries at all.
Which problem you know?
Hold on.
Huh?
What's that?
Which problem you know?
Huh?
Everything is fine.
I'm okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, sorry.
The bikers were rolling together down the road when they claimed the driver tried to hit them. Things got heated fast. Words were flying. Tempers flared.
Do what, dude?
You got guys right there waiting on y'all.
It's okay. What are you about hit us, dude?
Hit us your ride.
There ain't nobody want no problem. We're in the middle of the road, my guy.
I'm just trying to go home.
Then go. Well, you stopped. We didn't stop.
Yeah, stop because y'all are causing problems.
Well, you're starting a problem, my guy.
What do you mean? You want me to call the car?
I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight.
I'm starting trouble when you're riding a wheelie down the road. And that's my problem. That's my problem.
But in the end, it all stayed under control.
You stopped in the middle of the goddamn road. At least we were moving. Me? Go the home.
Okay, buddy. That's cool.
He was riding down the highway when suddenly a car from the left cut right in front of him.
What are you doing?
He slowed down immediately, but then came the shouting and the cursing on the road.
Call. You. Cunt.
Two friends were riding together, trying to squeeze past a car in heavy traffic. Suddenly, one of them lost his balance and bumped into his friend. But in the end, neither of them got hurt. This biker says he was just trying to give the pickup driver a friendly fist bump, but by accident, he lightly tapped the side mirror. Now watch how the driver reacts.
Are you crossing the street? I'm sorry, what was that? It was a accident. What, you want to do something, man? You. All good?
And then see what the biker ran over and did next with him.
What's up, you fucking punk?
This biker claims the driver tried to hit him and is now trying to drive away. He's not backing down and wants the situation recorded. Watch what happens next.
Hey man, if you touch me, it's gonna get recorded. What? If you touch me, it's gonna get recorded and you're gonna go to jail.
It was an accident. Okay,
No, what's your insurance card?
What?
I called the cops, they're on the way.
Okay.
So you need to stop moving, otherwise it's gonna be hit and run, and you're gonna go to jail.
I'm not moving.
Okay, get in your car. Get in your car. You can't just hit somebody's shit.
No, I didn't.
Bro, I have it on recording, you're retarded.
She was riding smooth on the highway when suddenly a car cut right in front of her from the right lane. She hit the brakes just in time, and what happened next turned into a heated road argument.
Öyle bir geçiş yok, geçiş yok, öldürüyordun! Öldürüyordun! Öyle bir geçiş yok!
She was just driving ahead when a lady driver suddenly cut into her lane.
Да блять, что ты делаешь нахуй, ебанутая что ли совсем?
So she followed her, pulled up in front, and stopped the car.
Все нормально с головой это, блять, вообще.
But just as the biker tried to open her door, the lady suddenly hit the
Да что за
gas,
хуйня? Ай, блять, сука, ноге еще въебалась.
and his foot got caught underneath. He ran after her in pain,
Да что за хуйня? Ебать.
and what happened next turned the whole street into chaos.
Блять, я думал, я не разобью его, я так стукнул чуть-чуть, ебаный. Блять, мне стекла. Знаешь что?
В смысле я подрезаю, мне не тебя. Ты со мной
Да,
поравнялся?
что
The moment she got out of the car, she snapped, "What did you just do? I'm definitely getting compensation for this."
Бля, ну это пиздец вообще. Это пиздец.
She added, "Even if I cut in front of you, that doesn't give you the right to smash my window."
Пойдем я сфоткаю твой мочек, сфоткаю права, все документы.
In the end, the guy paid for the damage and quietly walked away. A normal stop at the light turned into pure rage when the car almost clipped his bike. This guy and the biker got into it right there on the road. But remember, our channel does not support or promote any kind of violence.
Go ahead, you piece of shit!
I mean, I don't want to say get him with the helmet, but like you're wearing a helmet, right? She's looking at me like I'm gonna stop this, like bro, I'm on fuck.
He was just cruising in his lane when a car suddenly cut in from the right, nearly taking him out.
Sen ne yapıyorsun? Ne yapıyorsun?
Görmedim diyorum ben.
Bakacaksın.
Görmüyor musun? Görmedim de. Git siktir git nereye desene.
Küfürünü de edeceğim senin.
The driver kept hitting the brakes for no reason at all. That's when the biker snapped and things got heated real fast.
What? What do you mean?
Back.
No, actually,
Accelerating and going up my f***ing ass.
I can filter. I can filter. There's no... I'll report...
He was riding behind the car when the light was green, but the driver just wouldn't move faster.
Holy
That's when the biker snapped, shouting in pure frustration.
It was green, you f***ing moron! That shit was green! That shit was f***ing green! Get out of the car and beat your ass! Get the f*** out of here!
A heated argument broke out between the biker and the truck driver. What started it? Watch the video and you'll find out.
What'd you say? What'd you say, mate?
What about?
You shouted something.
Not you, I didn't.
No, you did.
No, not you, I didn't.
Did I? Was it just me hearing it?
Don't fucking shout out, you.
One of you two shouted or something.
Get your marks off the road, mate. You don't need to sit and
Was we indicated?
What?
Did I have...
You were all out on the road like that.
Well, I wasn't, was I? So no need to shout at me, was there?
Mate.
I didn't, did I? So why aren't you telling him that? Why aren't you telling him that then?
That's all for today's ride, but there's more coming your way. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Riders Extreme.